existing on an infinitesimal level. Now, when we get into areas like animism, right, which sort of implements mirrored projection, some sort of mirrored manifestation of projection, or some sort of imagination of some degree. Then you have the empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular. So being able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music is inevitable. It helps you embody music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So when you hear A chord, primarily is 440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have, but I didn't have, right, I mean, sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Look in cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.